Let's jump right in. Welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're here because we're tackling a super practical topic today that is honestly going to completely streamline your monthly routine. We're going step by step through exactly how to pay your Ameren bill online.
I mean, just imagine never having to write a check, hunt down that stamp you bought like 3 years ago, or trudge over to the post office again just to keep your lights on. Stick with me here, because you'll learn how to simplify your life by paying your Ameren bill online in just a few incredibly easy steps. It's basically a time-saving magic trick. It takes just minutes to set up, but man, it pays dividends every single month.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. Introduction to online payment. 2. Setting up your account. 3. Navigating the dashboard. 4. Making your payment. 5. Troubleshooting and support. And finally, 6. Conclusion.
All right, Section 1. Introduction to online payments. Why go digital?
So, Ameren provides essential services like electricity and natural gas that literally keep our homes and businesses running. But managing the administrative side of that, it really doesn't have to be a chore. Okay, let's dive into this. Paying online offers you ultimate 24/7 convenience. You're no longer bound by the operating hours of a physical payment station or, the unpredictable timing of the postal service. Plus, using Ameren's direct portal means you incur zero transaction fees. And choosing electronic bills massively reduces paper waste, which is a fantastic win for the environment, all while saving you hours of time every year.
Moving right along to Section 2, setting up your account, crossing the digital threshold. Now, before you even click a single button on their website, go ahead and grab a recent paper bill. Take a look at the top left corner. You're going to need to locate your 10-digit account number. This specific number is absolutely crucial. It's the key to linking your physical utility service to your brand new digital profile.
Once you've got that paper bill handy, the actual setup is super straightforward. First, just go to Ameren.com and click Register. Next, you'll select your customer type, so whether you're a residential customer, a business, or maybe a property manager. Then pop in your personal details, including your email address. Just a quick heads up here, this email permanently becomes your user ID, so pick a good one. Finally, to prevent fraud and verify you are who you say you are, Ameren will ask for your social security number, your zip code, and that 10-digit account number we just found.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what you'll see. The official Ameren secure login and registration interface is really clean, clearly labeled, and specifically designed so you know for sure your personal data is totally safe.
I actually want to preemptively address a little security feature you're going to encounter right after you register: multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Ameren requires this for new devices to protect your account. So when you log in from a new location, phone, or browser, they're going to send a one-time access code to you via text or email. Honestly, it's just Ameren ensuring your data stays completely locked down.
Next up, Section 3. Navigating the dashboard, your new command center.
Once you're fully registered and logged in, you'll find your dashboard is packed with some seriously powerful tools. You've got your full billing history right there, plus bill projections to help you plan ahead. You can check out active energy rates and even set up real-time outage alerts and notifications. It even gives you personalized savings tips to help identify which appliances in your home are using the most energy. Pretty cool, right?
All right, Section 4, making your payment, the action phase.
Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is how wildly the convenience fees can vary. If you pay through the direct online portal or their official phone system called SpeedPay, Ameren charges $0, absolutely nothing, for e-checks or major credit cards. We're talking Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex. But if you use an in-person payment station, you're looking at a $1.25 fee. Or if you use a third-party broker like Deferit to split your bill into installments, it's 99 cents per bill plus a monthly membership. So without a doubt, the direct online portal is your most cost-effective path.
So the crucial point I want to make here is about a specific security limit. Ameren only allows a maximum of 5 credit or debit card transactions per account every 25 days. Just keep that in the back of your mind if you're someone who likes to make multiple smaller payments throughout the month, just so you aren't surprised if a payment gets temporarily blocked.
Now, if you truly want to modernize your energy life, the real trick is combining autopay and paperless billing. Autopay automatically withdraws your payment every month right on the due date. Pair that with paperless billing, which securely delivers your bill via text or email, and you've essentially created the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it experience, all while helping out the environment.
Moving on to Section 5, troubleshooting and support, overcoming obstacles.
Look, we've all been there, right? It's 9 p.m. on your due date, you're frantically trying to log in, and boom, you realize you're locked out of your account or you're facing some weird payment error. It is incredibly frustrating,
But don't panic, there are a few very quick workarounds. Let me give you some insider tips. First, if you can't log in, just use the guest pay feature. You don't even need a password. You literally just need that 10-digit account number to make a same-day payment with 0 fees. It's a fantastic emergency backup. Also, you can always reset your password via email. And if you really just need to speak to a human being, general customer service is at 1-800-552-7583. Or you can use the automated SpeedPay phone line at 1-888-777-3108.
Finally, Section 6. Conclusion. Simplifying your energy life. I strongly encourage you to take action today. Seriously, maybe even pause this explainer, pull up Ameren's website, and just execute the steps we just went over. Create your account, make your first payment, and reclaim all that time you used to spend managing paper bills. Before we officially wrap up, the information provided in this explainer is for educational purposes only. Please consult Ameren's official website or customer service for the most up-to-date and accurate details regarding their online payment processes.
So, I want to leave you with this final thought. If taking just 5 minutes of setup today saves you hours of hassle and potential late fees this entire year, what other parts of your daily routine could you automate next? Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and hey, here's to a simpler, much more streamlined life.